Ever feel totally stuck in your current reality no matter how hard you grind?
What if your biggest obstacle isn't your environment, but actually your own mind?
Seriously, think about it. Are you already unknowingly hypnotizing yourself to fail every single day? Are you living in an unconscious trance of fear or operating through conscious intentional design? So, how do we break free? Step one to building a new reality is dehypnotizing yourself. You've got to observe those negative thoughts, jot down underlying fears, and totally trash that limiting vocabulary. Next, we enter the theta state. It's an altered brainwave state for rapid reprogramming. Just look up between your eyebrows, shift left to right, and let your eyelids flutter closed. Now for step two. Project your absolute ultimate desired reality onto your internal mental screen. See your posture, hear the conversations, feel the environment. You literally need to taste the success. Why? Because your brain genuinely doesn't know the difference between what's perfectly imagined and what's real. Step three is feeling that internal shift. This physical sensation proves actual neuroplasticity is happening. So how long does this take? Just 5 minutes a day yields massive returns on reality. Consistency is absolutely everything. Wake up, play your 5-minute mind movie, and operate in your new reality. I'll leave you with this final thought. Who will you consciously choose to become tomorrow?